Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I think you are going to present your ideation canvas that we have discussed in your last session. Mind mapping, some modifications I have said to some of you that modifications have done in your mind mapping canvas. So, have you uploaded your mind mapping canvas in your folders, each of you? Okay, great. So today we are going to start with your ideation canvas. And before moving to this for the discussion, I just want to convey you one thing here is that that workshop that you have attended a few days back, yeah, that is on in January's one of the week web designing workshop. Have you attended that workshop? Yes. So basically, what was the purpose of that workshop? I think you people are not aware about. Uh, in your design engineering, the things we are doing is likewise we will do in the whole semester. But at the end of semester, when you are going to present this work in the form of presentation, because when the reviews will take place for your DE project and you will present all these things in the form of presentation, so that presentation you will be make in the form of static website that you have learned in that workshop. It is mandatory. So I think you people are unaware of this thing, so I convey this message to you. So whatever you have learned, you have to apply that you have learned over there in that workshop over here in your design engineering, that in, during your presentations. So you make a static website of your presentation, whatever you want to present, make it a static website, fine. So that another queries we will talk later on that part. Now we are going to start with your ideation canvas. So have you prepared your canvas? So shall we start with group wise? I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to discuss with your group mates. Arrange your sheets until I will open your Google Sheet so that I can see your teams. Then we will start discussing. Yes, we are going to start with the first team, and that is Aditya, Breeze, and Mehak.
Ma'am, give us a moment, please. We are sharing.
Yeah, take your time. Uh, Before we move to okay, let them take their time. Team two, you are ready? User Himang, Dhruv, and Faiz.
Yeah, I
Yes.
had presented.
Okay, okay.
Can you see it?
Yes, please. Okay, this is your ideation canvas. Just a minute. Huh? Dhruv is asking, ma'am, can you repeat about website? Okay. Dhruv, what I have said, the message I think you people are unaware of, so that I should convey that message to you. You need to make a static website by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that you have learned during the web designing workshop, right? And that website would be is not actually a website, that is your presentation actually, that you are going to present at the end of this semester. And that presentation, anything you will put on that presentation, like if you want to put your canvas, the screen, the you want to write the heading, that things you will show, that things you will make in the form of static pages, static website that you have learned in that workshop. How to make the heading by using header tags, how to display an image by using image tag, likewise. Are you getting? Yes, that is the just explanation about your about your project. That is not actually a website you will create. That is about project. The whatever you want to explain during presentation, you will present in the form of you will make, yeah. Yeah, it is okay if your project would not work. It is not a working project we want. We want a static website you will present in the form of presentation. That present you will perform over there. Fine. Yes. Anyone else who is having any doubt now? So we just want to implement that you have learned in that workshop over here. So that was the basic objective for that workshop. Fine. Yes, please, you may continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Mm, uh, Ma'am, this is Ideation Canvas. We had made our people as space agencies, vehicle owners, and warehouse staffs.
Okay.
Then the activities which we are going to do in our project is automatic driving, the main one. The LiDAR will be capturing lights,
Hmm.
which is going to create a visual image through
Hmm.
light. Sonar sensor will interact with the objects which are coming in front of or sideways or the rear views will be uh,
Yes,
in
yes.
the object obstacles with the sonar
Mm-hmm.
sensor, which is going to draw a path for the vehicle. Like the vehicle wants to go in the right or left, or like we are reversing the vehicle, it is going to see.
Okay.
And there is a little doubt in situation, context, and location in our.
In your
So
project.
we have left some
Okay.
points
Okay.
that we want to ask.
Okay.
Can you just say the difference between situation, context, and location
Yes, basically
in
these
our?
three terms are used here as a synonyms. They replace each other. Here the situation is at what and when this project will be helpful in the situation, like you have write open wide road with wide strips in road notations. So at what situation your project will work, you have to write down that, right? In what context your project will work, right? So or location, you can say that at what place you can use that project. Are you getting? So
Ma'am,
you
context means.
context, you can means these terms are using as a slash part, so they can replace each other. As a context they are saying at which context you are using this project, means आप इसको किस purpose के लिए use करोगे, in short, right? So you have to
Okay,
write those situations over their project will be work. Fine.
okay,
Yes. What are the
We'll
props
do it
here?
in a stage. And the
Yeah.
props are the LiDAR sensors, sonar sensors,
Yes.
microcontrollers, high definition cameras, AI
Yes.
system, image processing, and the vehicle itself.
Okay. Done. So you will just update the situation, context, and the
Yes,
location where you can use this project. At what, why you are using this means context. You can also write now why you are using this
yes, ma'am.
project. Means that is the solution of your problem, right?
Okay,
And where you can use this
yes,
project.
will
So
do.
next group, yes, do it and then upload it.
Yes, ma'am.
Next group, Juzel, Hemang, Dhruv and Faz. Are you guys ready with your sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Discuss it. Yes, Hemang.
In our project, optical character recognition, people was student, professionals, police officer, teacher, government agency, and travelers. In
Okay.
activities, digital invoice, digital menus, digitalizing ID cards, traffic sign recognition, book scanning, and language translation.
Okay.
And
In
in what
situation.
situations the
Yes.
file conversion from image to text file,
Okay.
offices, law
Yes.
firms, universities, at
Hmm.
schools, private
Hmm.
sectors and non-government sectors.
Okay.
And the props of our projects are Google Translator API,
Yes.
an integrated development environment,
Yes.
optical character recognition library,
Yes.
storage devices, camera,
Yes.
training data set, and server.
Correct. The sheet is correct. You can upload this sheet.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Next
Okay,
team.
ma'am.
Yes. Next. The next group is we are having with us Vrunda, Krupali, and Kanan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, screen is visible. Hello, ma'am. Screen is visible.
Yes, Vrunda.
Yes, ma'am. Into our project, parking management system, the people who are going to use this are public workers, management staff, and gatekeepers. And activities are parking vehicle, clean the parking, people book their parking slots, an image of vehicle license and plate number is captured. Then situation, context,
Okay.
and locations are no parking slot available, people don't want to wait, then safe parking and locations where project are implemented is shopping mall, multiplexes, and residences.
Okay,
And
so
props
where
are
your project, wait, Vrunda, wait. So
yes.
you had written here in the situation split that locations are
Mm.
this. Don't write locations are this and this. Just make the points over here and write this can be implicable, or you can write here shopping malls, multiplexes, residency as it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
And props are used as sensors, QR code, then CCTV camera, and software tools are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL, and vehicles.
Okay. Also, one more thing for others as well. Before uploading your sheets, write down your project name and team over there in your sheet. Then upload your sheets.
Okay, ma'am.
I think D portal is open now or not? Have you checked that for fourth semester? I think it is going on for third semester right now. No? Okay. Just upload this sheet by write down your project name.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next team, Vasu, Ravi, Nirav and Vasu. Yes. Anybody from their team?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Present your sheet. Yes. Who will going to discuss?
Yes, ma'am. This is our ideation class. Hello.
Yes, Ravi. Go ahead.
Yes. This is our ideation canvas. In the people slot, it is same as AAU canvas, like civilians, bankers, merchants,
Yes,
debit card, or store
yes,
manager, etc. And
okay.
activities are also matches that
Yes,
is like biometric authentication, transaction, check account information, or security inspection.
yes,
In
yeah.
the situation, context, and location part, the
Mhm.
location is petrol pump, market or mall, or in context, we have add need cash urgently, or it can be add also in situation part also. And other
Limited
locations is
match.
private area.
There's so much disturbance, Ravi. A limited match, recognition accuracy, improve interface, anti-reply attack. What you have written in the probes part.
Sorry, ma'am, I cannot get it. Please, can you repeat?
You have written some of the points here in the last float. That is in props,
Yes, ma'am.
limited match, recognition accuracy,
Yes, ma'am.
improve
It is
interface,
props.
anti. What is this?
Anti-reply attack. अभी क्या होता
I'm
है?
asking how it will act as a props in your project.
यस मैम, अगर फिंगरप्रिंट बेस्ड सिस्टम है तो उसका भी एक हेलो
In the probes, you have to write
जो
the objects, the tools, equipment you are using.
हाँ मैम, इट इज पॉसिबल सॉल्यूशन दैट एंटी रिप्लाई अटैक.
Ravi,
इसमें
please
क्या?
change your location. There is so much disturbance.
ओके मैम.
Anybody else in the group can unmute itself and speak. Yes, I'm waiting.
यस मैम, इन दिस props or possible solution,
Okay.
the topic is limited match. अगर कोई फिंगरप्रिंट से अपना फिंगर स्कैन कर रहा है उसमें,
Hmm.
तो उसमें एक लिमिटेड मैच होगा कि एक बार किया, 2 बार किया, 3 बार किया, उसके बाद नहीं होगा.
So this is your features, means this is your activities. It includes in your activities. In props or possible solution, in props you have to write the equipment or the tools you are using for your project.
बट उसमें अगर मैच ज्यादा होता है तो उसमें एक फीचर आता है कि उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है.
Hmm.
उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, वो एक टूल ही है. उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता,
Okay, that tool you are using, or that
Yes.
sensor you are using. Okay. Then it is fine.
Then recognition accuracy. Then improvement interface, like अगर हम एटीएम में से मनी विड्रॉ करते हैं तो क्या होता है, इंटरफेस में सब सिलेक्ट करना होता है. इसमें हम लिमिटेड अमाउंट तक हम अपना फिंगरप्रिंट और अदर बायोमेट्रिक ऑथेंटिकेशन करके अपना जितना जरूरत है उतना मनी विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं.
Okay, listen to me, Ravi, now. But I'm saying here, these are the features of your project, basically, right? Which you are providing through your project. But you should write these features in activities split. Other than that, the sensors or the tool you are using here, maybe there should be some name for that one. You have to
Yes.
write down that name over here in props.
Okay.
Okay, so change it.
Okay.
Yes, next group. Next group. Manthan, Jay, Vishwaraj, and Ramesh.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm
First of
present.
all, you guys tell me, have you uploaded your two of the sheets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Start discussing now. Where is your canvas?
Ma'am, we have done rough and we will do it later after the lab visit. So,
Okay.
Okay, so ma'am, this is our ideation canvas. In the people who can use this application, so they are the students, head of department, faculty member, event manager, parents, technical staff, admin, or college authorities. Or in
Okay.
activities, they can log in, register their ID, and if students have any queries, they ask and they get the answer from the faculties. They download PPTs and from the e-content. They check their attendance, and also faculty can improve in attendance, and
Yes.
they also upload their personal IDs like a mark sheet or their college ID number, etc.
Okay.
ma'am, in situation or location, anybody means college staff or student can use our application in college staff
And
room.
in which situation you can use this application? You have
While
not
some
written.
means we thought we just have to write a location.
No. Mention the situation as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
The student can access our app while they want to check their attendance during college time.
Yes. Yes.
They want to know their timetable,
Hmm.
which lecture is next, and
Hmm.
if they want, faculty can check their means portal. They can they can make difference in attendance, who is present or who is absent during the lecture time. Uh,
Yes.
and they can upload their PPT during college time. And student can access our app in home while they want to download e-content or PPT of uh, subject.
Yes.
That's the situation. While in props or possible solution, we can
Hmm.
use it on PC, laptop, tablet, web server, and mobile.
Okay. Other than these props, you are not using any other equipment.
Yeah, ma'am. Mostly we have covered it: laptop, tablet, mobile, and web
Okay.
server.
And the tools and the IDs you are using for it. Like if you are implementing this project idea in your
Okay,
Java language, then which tool you are going to use for it? Write down those things as well.
okay, ma'am. Can you suggest? We don't have
Like
idea.
for Java, there's a NetBeans ID
Okay,
you can use.
okay, okay, ma'am.
Likewise, you can do for others languages or other programming you are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do this modification and then upload.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yes.
Thank you.
Next, Vishwa, Vidhi, Jinal, and Ishan. I think your project is pending till I had
Yes, sir.
given you that 1 week of time. Have you prepared three of the sheets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will come to your team at the end and you will discuss three of the sheets from scratch.
All right.
Yes. After that, Anjan, Suchi, Vatsal, and Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your sheet.
Since our project is automated e-challan
Hmm.
and people are public, police officer and
Hmm.
RTO officer,
Hmm.
and activities of detect the project object, click
Hmm.
picture of the vehicle,
Hmm.
recognition of number plate, and send picture to vehicle owner.
Hmm.
And situation is license plate recognition, click picture, send message, fine on traffic violence, traffic management, and web portal.
Okay.
And props are the number plate detection,
Okay.
extracting the text from detect the number plate, and
Hmm.
enhance vehicle theft prevention,
Hmm.
and the analysis of city traffic during the peak period of the place.
Yes. Yes, you can upload this sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, uh, Rishabh, Sadashiv, and Shibu. Rishabh have shown that first sheet to me, and I suggested some modification. If Rishabh remember,
Yes, ma'am.
so have you done those modifications?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that you have uploaded also.
Yes, ma'am. I have uploaded.
And in the last session, you and Sadashiv both were absent, so your two sheets are pending now: mind mapping and ideation.
Yes, ma'am. I have done ideation, but there is something to add.
Okay, there's something to add. Go ahead with that. Till I will discuss. These guys will discuss these sheets. Then you will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Vidhi, Jinal, Ishan, and Vishwa, show me your sheets.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll start from the first one.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So our AIU was left, right?
Hmm.
Uh, this is the sheet for environment, covering to farm, botanical garden, nursery, and areas developing into agriculture.
Okay.
For interaction, machine to farmer, gardener to
Hmm.
machine, and machine to crops.
Okay. And there would not be any interaction between people.
That comes under farmer, gardener, and farmer. Specific the project is agriculture automation, so farmer and gardener only mostly will use
Okay.
that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Do we need to change it to people
No, no, it
or
is
is
fine.
it fine? Right.
Fine.
Okay. For objects,
Hmm.
Arduino, pump,
Hmm.
soil moisture sensor, and relay.
Okay.
Activities, increased production, water conservation, real-time monitoring and production insight, remote
Hmm.
monitoring, leaf and flower classification, also disease classification if the plant has any disease, and identification of plant. There is a spelling
Okay.
mistake here. Identification of plant.
Yes.
For users, agriculture sectors, farmer,
Hmm.
gardener, and botanist.
Okay.
Uh, just is it visible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, for ideation canvas,
Hmm.
for activities, increase production, water conservation, real-time monitoring and production insight, remote monitoring, leaf and flower classification, and identification of plants.
Okay.
For situation, context, and location, the proposed system can be implemented in botanical farm for flower and leaf identification and watering using IoT.
Okay.
A farm where water level can be monitored without the interaction of farmer. So the farmer gets the information on his fingertips.
Okay.
Disease in plants can be recognized effectively
Okay.
through the system. And for crops, Arduino, pump, soil moisture sensor, delay, and Keras, that is a framework of Python,
Yes.
which is
Yes.
used for deep learning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
And third one, mind mapping.
this is the mind map. Ma'am, do I
Yes.
have to say it all?
Yeah, you will just define it in brief.
Okay. So basically, the project is agriculture automation using deep learning. Benefits are water conservation, low operation cost, increased quality of production, real-time monitoring, and increased production. Users which can use the system are major the people who are in agriculture sector, botanists, gardens, and farmers. Components that are used are sensors, Arduino, pump, and relay. Sensors such as soil moisture sensors and temperature and humidity sensor. Application for the same is identification of disease in plants, remote monitoring, leaf and flower classification, identification of any plant. For the
Okay.
technology, we have used Keras framework, which is a
Hmm.
Python database storage, Google
Hmm.
Collaborate, and
Hmm.
cloud storage.
Okay. Done. So you guys will upload all these three sheets in your folder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Rishabh and Sadashiv and one another person added to your team now. That is Shibu, right? Three of you are in the same team.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now show me your canvas.
Ma'am, this is ideation canvas.
Okay.
In people, there is police officer, house
Hmm.
owner, institution, government employees, and students.
Hmm.
Activities are user instruction and play the music, control
Hmm.
the temperature, turn on or off the light.
Hmm.
In props, devices, smartphone, thermostats, Amazon Alexa, a storage device, and
Okay.
situation in location, home, office, school, government office.
Okay.
Ma'am, we will make mind map and will
Yes.
present in lecture.
Okay. You will going to show me the mind mapping canvas in next session.
Yes, ma'am.
You have not prepared. What
Yes,
Shibu
ma'am.
and Sadashiv is doing? Yes, Shibu and Sadashiv. What
Yes,
you
ma'am.
people are doing?
I help you, ma'am.
Vijay, do your work on time, na? The last week you both were absent. At that time, Shibu were present. So Shibu, what are you doing? Huh? Three people in a team. What it does mean? Okay, fine. So you will make your mind map canvas till next lab. Make sure that you will complete your work till next sheet we are having with us. that is our PDC canvas. PDC, that is your product development canvas. So I think you people are not aware about software engineering subject, right? So your PDC canvas is basically that covers the software engineering concepts. That is the phases in which we develop a software in IT industries. So let me present that canvas first. So here we are having PDC canvas. In PDC canvas, you can see there are number of columns, number of splits are given. First we start from the leftmost side, that is purpose. Purpose defines you. For which purpose you are developing this means you have found some problem and you try to solve that problem. So what is the purpose of making this project? You have to write that in the purpose column, right? That is very basic and you can able to understand it. What is the purpose of this concept you are developing? Does it solve a problem or it enhance a certain experience? What does it says? Either you are solving a problem, you have found some problem, or either you are optimizing the solution. Means there some solutions are available and you are optimizing and enhancing those solutions. That is also maybe a purpose of your project, right? So both can be a possibility. So you have to write down the purpose of your project over here. Then on the leftmost corner, on the after the purpose, you have to write down the people who are the key customer of your projects. So that you have already written in the form of users. In the last ideation canvas, you have written the people who are going to use this project, right? So you have to describe the people over here, right? Then in the center you are having the first column, that is of product experience. If you have seen the reviews, if you are using mobile phones and you have seen the Play Store and App Store of your phones, whenever you are using any application, most of the times it will ask you for the reviews, right? If you tell also you are, if you have ordered anything, they ask you for the reviews, yes or no? So this is your product experience, means whenever you have used any product, what is your the customer experience that you have to write down. Now here one thing I want to make clear is the customer experience is not you have to write by your own. This activity you will perform, you will just make some arrange some meetings with your project with your classmates and tell them about your project and ask them from their experience and then write it down. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि खुद से ही लिख दिया कि माय प्रोजेक्ट इज वेरी गुड, वेरी वल्नरेबल, इजी टू यूज. नहीं, you have to ask to people that this is my problem statement. If you find anything that I can change in it, then you can tell me, right? This is how you can perform this activity. And product experiences, if you can relate this, you have used many of the products and you are giving your experiences or reviews on it, so you have to write down the product's experience over this column, right? Define what your customer should feel like when he uses your service or product, right? What was the feeling and what was his experience? Feeling comfortable, feeling convenience to use this product, do not like this product. So you are also this product gives more security to the product to the customers or not. So this can be the product experiences. So make sure that you will not going to write the experiences by your own. Meet your classmates, the another people around you, ask them, uh, tell them your problem statement and ask them about your projects, then write it down. Fine. Then again you are having product functions and features. Now there are two terms we are having here: product functions and product features. What is the difference between functions and features? Can anybody elaborate? Anybody who can answer this, who knows what is a function and feature? I think you have developed this sheet earlier, na? So what is the difference when you write product function and features? See, when we differentiate between product functions and product features, whenever you are going to develop any of the software product, functionalities are the basic needs of that software. For example, if you are developing MS Office, a software like WhatsApp, right? You are developing a chatting application, then chat is a text, sending and receiving messages is the basic functionality of that application, right? But apart from that, if you are adding, you can change the background, you can change the wallpaper, whenever a customer will see in that message, the text will change. This can be the features that are specific, and that will provide a power to your function. फंक्शंस क्या हैं? जो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट हैं, जो नीड्स हैं, मतलब जो भी आप एप्लीकेशन डेवलप कर रहे हो, उसको डेवलप करने के जो बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो फुलफिल हो रहा है या नहीं, right? If you are developing a chatting application, it should include user can send a message and receive a message. Other than that, whatever you are adding on it are the features, right? So this is what, like, we are adding security, right? We are giving the reliability to the users. Then other than that, if you are giving specific features, जैसे कि अगर मैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स की बात करूं, तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स में अगर if I'm writing on an MS document, and with writing I can add more than, instead of writing I can change the font, I can change the size, right? So there are many things we are giving extra than the basic need, that is comes into the category of features. Now you can able to differentiate between functions and features. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you will write the basic necessities, basic requirements, and basic objective. Means whatever you are doing in your project contains some activities that you will write over here in functions, but some of your activities will be the features that you are providing specifically. मतलब उसके बिना आपका प्रोजेक्ट काम तो करेगा, it will not make any hindrance or any obstacle when your project will develop. So but when you add those features, it will provide the customers a more specific things to them, that will provide a more power to the function, right? So this is a product function and product feature. Then at the end of the center column you are having a component. That is, components are the build up features. Means you can write over here, like example is given here, that for a airbag, the airbags you are having in your cars, it will compromise a list of components like bags, triggers, etc. Likewise, in your software, if you're developing software, then you are having a lot of components here connect to the modules you are having in your uh, projects. So whatever the product you are developing, in your product, what are the components you are having, you will write out all those components over here, right? Then you, in the right corner, you are having that is customer revalidation. Once your project has been finished, once you finished your project, you will test that functionalities and features. Like when you go for the product, when you go for the meetings with your clients or your customers, you will ask them to use that product and tell them their experiences, right? When the customers will tell you their experiences, once you finished your work with all the functionalities and features, customer revalidation is required. There are two terms we are using when we are developing a software: verification and validation. Verification is done at the developer end, means once a developer done its all the coding and all the stuff, it will verify the product. but validation will be done at the customer end. Once you finished all the functionalities, all the implementation of your product, you will give that product to the customers, and customer will tell you about that what is required or not, right? That is called customer revalidation. So here, when you get the product experience from the people, you will write down the customer revalidation. मतलब उन्होंने आपको बताया, जैसे कि आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट मुझसे रिव्यू कराया, तो मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ कि ये कितना यूजर फ्रेंडली है, आप इसमें और सिक्योरिटी ऐड कर सकते हो, राइट? इट कैन बी ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द सर्विस you can provide in this project. So you will write all these points over here, that are the revalidation points. Those revalidation points you have validated, redesigned, rejected or not, that you will write over here in the last column. कि आपने कोई ऐसा वैलिडेशन पॉइंट, रिवैलिडेशन पॉइंट था जो आपने रीडिजाइन किया है, right? After customer validation, after the customer has validated your project, there is some function in your project that you have redesigned, you have retained that function, right? Or either you have rejected that function. All those things you will write down here. Is it clear? There is any doubt in PDC canvas you are having? This will contain a lot of things in this canvas, so you need to be more careful during you will going to prepare this canvas. Is anything you want to ask in this canvas, or is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so till next lab you will prepare this canvas. Just we are just doing that. Once we will done with all your canvas, then you will start developing your PPTs as per I have told you, by using that web designing part. Then we will continue with that. Fine, till you will prepare your canvas. Once your canvases will be ready, you will do your scripting, your coding part, right? So we are closing this lab session here with this. You will upload your canvas, first three canvas that we have discussed till today, with after modifications in your folders.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
The final product that we will make is the same we have submitted as a report.
No. What I am saying is the final product in this semester, there is no implementation of project. First of all, only prototype you have to make. Means how your project will look like, how your if you are developing any application, how your application means the front end. If you can able to get the front end, means how the pages will look like. If you are making any website, then how the main page will look like, how the login page will look like. This is the front end of your application or website you are developing. So in this semester you are just going to make that prototype only, not the working or implementation of project. So that things you will going to present in the form of PPT. That presentation you will prepare in the form of static website only. Whatever you want to show, either you want to show the text, either you want to show the image, either you want to show anything in the form, you will make it in the form of website, static pages that you have learned in your workshop. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So anybody else who is having any query? Okay. So we are going to close this session. Fine. So we are closing this session here with this.